What is up, YouTube? My name is Nick from metalogicdesign.com, and today I'm going to be creating a tutorial on how to do competitor analysis within SEMRush so you can essentially rank higher than your competition in your local area. Let's get started. So here we are in SEMRush in organic research, and how you get to this page is you go on the left-hand side here under SEO and select organic research, where it tells you to enter your domain, subdomain, or URL. You can either enter your own domain or your competition's domain if you want to do research on them behind the scenes. We're going to be selecting a random pool company within Miami, as I figured that'd be a really good example for you guys, and I am based in Miami, so I understand a little bit of what's going on here. So let's just scroll down the paid ads here and scroll past the organic or local pack, Yelp, and select a quality pool service. So here we are at a quality pool service. We're going to copy this URL and paste it here into SEMRush and select search. If you are in another country, by the way, feel free to go ahead and do research in the country of your choosing. I am in the United States, so I'll be clicking the United States and select search. So here we are. SEMRush has compiled all the information of equalitypool.com into these nice, neat graphs and charts for us to dissect. Also, too, this information is not going to be as accurate as Google Search Console, but SEMrush does a fantastic job of getting very close to accurate data as possible. So starting here, we have keywords. A quality pool is targeting 709 keywords. And as you can see here, month to month, it has been steadily increasing, right? And from last month to this month, it has increased 0.6%. I believe they have done some SEO effort. As you can see, from month to month has increased, and same as their traffic too, as is increased 15% just from last month to this month, with 188 users going to their site just from organic traffic alone. Traffic cost here is essentially what it would cost in Google Ads to get the same amount of traffic as they are organically. Branded traffic is traffic brought to their site from branded searches, so searches like Equality Pool Miami, equalitypool.com, etc. Non-branded searches are just the amount of traffic from keywords that are not from branded searches, like I said before. Organic keywords trends, so you can go here and follow along. You can see how each of their keywords have performed month over month. So I am October here, so let's go to September and October. You can see here they have 11 keywords that generate a top 3 performance on the Google SERP, right? And the top 3. They have 9 keywords that present them in the top 4 to 10 position. If you go here to October, it's gone down a little bit. They only have 8 keywords that generate a top 10 position, and another 8 keywords giving them a top 4 to 10 position. All right, if we go here to top organic keywords, right? These are our top performers, the top keywords that drive the most traffic to our site. So we have low maintenance pool landscape design. They rank 3rd for that on the SERP. It generates about 590 searches per month and is relatively 26% of their traffic. And a quality pool service is a branded search. I'm not sure why SEMrush here did not label that as a branded search. Generates about 170 searches per month and rakes in about 22%, and so on and so forth. Top position changes, this little graph here, essentially just what we have on top in more detail, right? So we have new keywords, essentially keywords that this company did not target before, and they've added into their SEO strategy, right? So essentially they've never used pool cleaner services before, and they've now ranking 89th, etc. Lost keywords are keywords this company thought maybe aren't the best to pursue, or maybe they weren't generating the results that they should, and they figured they might go another direction. Improved keywords are what you've seen up here, right? So you can see if month over month if these keywords have improved, and on the flip side of that, you can see if they have declined in ranking. Keywords by intent is essentially the intent behind each of these searches, right, and what brings the most traffic to their website. So informational searches are searches for just answers to questions, so how to clean a pool, do yourself pool cleaning, etc. Navigational, people looking for a specific brand, so it could be people looking for exactly a quality pool service like up here, right? These are people who are looking for just one brand. They're not really shopping around. They know what they want. Commercial are people kind of shopping around for quotes, or they're kind of just seeing exactly what the best way to go would be for this service. And then transactional is a motivated buyer looking to make a purchase today. So you can see here kind of broken down by keywords and traffic. And then scroll down here, you can see the top pages in which your customers land on. So you have equalitypool.com. Essentially 68% of your traffic goes to that page, and it contains about 150 of the keywords that we're targeting. And then we have low maintenance pool landscape ideas, right? This is essentially, I'm assuming they added it into their SEO strategy here as a keyword they're now targeting. I'm sure they made a blog or it's a page surrounding pool landscaping. And then if you want to do competitive research, we're actually going to go up here, and where it says overview, position changes, we're going to click competitors. You can see here it has the same keywords, traffic, and traffic costs as we saw in the page before it, right? And then here is really important. We have the competitive positioning map. This essentially shows the amount of traffic on the y-axis and the amount of keywords on the x-axis and where we rank. So you can see Equality Pool Service is in the purple here. So we have the most amount of keywords and the most amount of traffic. And in second place here, not too far behind, is Miami Pool Tech, and they have 172 keywords and about 170 monthly traffic. They're not too far behind, so we'll go a deeper dive of that. I'm going to do more competitive research here. And then we have, as you can see, our top competitors. So, and then it's broken down by competitive level, common keywords, traffic, cost, etc. So we're actually going to go into a more in-depth look here. Let's go into the keyword gap tool on the left-hand side. So the keyword gap tool right here, we'll add our top 4 competitors that we just saw on the last page. We had Miami Pool Tech, Royal Pool Miami, Aqua King Pool Service, and SEMRush Pools. We're going to go ahead and click compare. Again, you can determine what country you're looking for. Let's click here. Alrighty, on the keyword gap page, we're presented with this keyword overlap chart. It's essentially a chart with a Venn diagram of sorts showing the overlap of keywords between each of our competitors. So you can see that we're here in this big blue blob of 705 keywords. We share keywords with Aqua King Miami and Miami Pool Tech, 28 and 18 respectively. If you scroll down here, you can see the shared keywords between all of our competitors, and we're outranking our competition for 5 out of 6 of them. Miami Pool Tech is outranking us for Miami Pool Companies, as well as SEMRush Pools. Missing keywords would be essentially keywords that all of our competition are targeting except for us. So these would be missed opportunities to rank and be competitive. As you can see here, there's not one. Weak keywords are essentially keywords that we are being outranked by all of our competition. So let's say we're all doing pool service, right? And we're in the bottom rank for that. That would show up here in weak. Strong keywords, you've just seen in shared keywords. These are the keywords in which we're the strongest and outrank all of our competition. And then untapped keywords are keywords that essentially some of our competition are targeting and some are not. All right, so you kind of have to go through here and pick and choose what keywords might be relevant to you. We're going to go more detailed in this in a second. And then unique keywords are keywords specific to only us, right? So let's go ahead and go back to here to untapped, and we're going to scroll up. So we are a Miami-based business. I think it'd be best to target keywords surrounding Miami or near me, as if we target just pool service or pool supplies or things along those nature, it could be too broad and too generic. It won't hit the target audience that we are searching for, right? I mean, if you are an e-commerce company, this could be good for you. However, it's not good in our case. So let's go ahead and type Miami here into the search. So untapped keywords, right? So these are the keywords that some of our competition are targeting and some are not. So we have Miami Pool Techs. If you remember in our organic research competitor analysis, right, you've seen them rank 2. They have a very high pool and ranking pretty high, even though the keywords are less, right? They're almost, I think, maybe 20% of the keywords we have. So we have Miami Pool Tech, Pools of Miami in Spanish, Pool Miami, Miami Pool. These would be great keywords for equality to target here, right? Maybe not so much pool builders. if you do some research on your own, you can see Sumar Pools does actually do more of the contracting work surrounding pools. They do pool decks, they build pools, things of that nature. Pool Supplies Miami, another great keyword. Miami Spring Pools, Pool in Miami, etc. So that's essentially how you do keyword research in a nutshell and competitor analysis. You can go in detail as much as you want or in depth as much as you want. If you're looking for a specific keyword you want to rank for, right? So Miami, let's do Miami Pool as a keyword. You kind of click these arrows here. You can see the questions surrounding that, the related searches, and also the top websites that are ranking #1 for these keywords here. So we see here, this is a blog surrounding each of the best pools in Miami, right? So you kind of get a feel for what content is surrounding each of these keywords and how to rank for those keywords by using the content as a reference. So that's essentially keyword keyword competition in a nutshell, and how you use SEMRush to essentially bolster your SEO campaigns. If you have any questions, my name is Nick. I'll answer any of the questions in the comments below. If not, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I guess I'll see you in the next video.